Hello everyone, Janna is here, and as usual in this video I'll share with you results of this trading week, and also we will have a look at technical picture for gold this coming week. And as you can see guys, this week my result was slightly more than $11,000, and I had just few of the scalping trades, and pretty much all my other trades were pending orders. And as usual, I'm sending it to my Telegram channel. So all the trades closed out with profits. As you can see, I have nothing floating. Just going to show you also here. There's nothing out there, no open positions. And now we are going to have a look at possible moves this coming week. So technical overview. So this week, finally, gold had a bit of correction, a bit of a drop, and I could put it in this possible downtrend channel. Okay, so we do have at this moment inside this channel another correction of this drop, and this could possibly be a bullish flag. So at this moment we can see that the move down did not continue, right? So we have got a bit of a support of this move around 22, well, let's say 22.90, right? So roughly something like that. And what's next expect, right, from this move? So basically that was a bit of consolidation in this area. Then look, we have another area of the previous, also consolidation around 2360 and 23 something like 30, let's say. And this week a little bit lower. So the market stopped in this area of consolidation of 2360 and 2330. And my expectation here is that possibly we will be trying again to continue to go up. This coming week, we're going to have quite a lot of news for American dollar. And let's see if the market will start to respect a little bit those news, because previously it was showing a bit more of respect to the geopolitical situation in the world. At this moment, we have no much of the news from Middle East. Well, I mean, through the weekend, anything else can happen. So we don't know. Let's say if there is nothing going to be happening, then I would think that the market will respect this this downtrend channel. So we might try, it might try to go a little bit lower inside this little channel, right? But if it's not going to break out further, like below this area of 23, 12, 11, something like this, and then just respect that little channel, then my expectation would be we will go inside there and we'll be trying to break out of 2360. Okay, so from here, if 2360 it will take, then my expectation would be that we are going inside the previous area, and possibly gold will be trying to go higher for about 2500, I would say, because remember on a bigger time frame we had, this was our last top, right, of the bigger previous one. And that's what gold quite like to do, is to go and take everything on its way. If it's going up, it tries to take all the tops. If it's going down, it tries to take all the bottoms. But sometimes it's, yes, it leaves the lowest or the highest, and then might just go for slightly high, slightly lower, slightly higher of the previous ones, or actually overtake it. So we will see what will happen here, because at this moment it does look like it's still well, on the daily time frame, we do have a little bit of the green, as you can see, guys, green candles, and that's why it still gives me idea here that it would want to go higher to take that top, finish with those pins up there, create another one, which would be, let's say, around 2500. Also, you see, if we are having this a bit of the bullish flag, which is not exactly formatted yet. That's why it might still go in here, go a little bit, finish that area, not break 2360 and then turn around and go a little bit lower and then return, we still will be in that flag. And then from the previous breakout of our consolidation area, we had like 1500, 1400 pips move. So that's why from here, for example, if we will break out from 2360, let's say we have roughly to 2500, which would be 13,000. And if, for example, we'll go further down and then come back again, then we would have, well, 1500 will be slightly below 2500. Okay, so that's what we will see, how it will perform around this area just yet. But at this moment, this easily could be a possible formation of the bullish flag. So, but just like I'm saying, we do have it touched two times already touched here, 2 times touched here. So that's why the third one could be here, the breakout point. So that's the crucial area, I would say, for me, would be to watch 2360. Is it going to try to break out and jump out and stay above and then continue the way up, or it might try to break it 2360, maybe it will give a pin or something, reject the area, and then turn around and actually go lower down. Also here, without going up, it might do also a trick to go down, take this bottom, right, create low, and then started to climb up again, back to the same area and try to break out to continue the way up. So that's what I can see at this moment, a bit of the technical overview. So with all of this quiet situation, I think it might continue a little bit lower. But at the same time, you see there is still no clarity with Middle East, right? It's a bit calmed down with Iran and Israel, but still Gaza and Israel are not finished yet. Okay, so my expectation of gold falling quite heavily after the situation will be sorted out, when it's all when they ceasefire and then also all stops, and then what else? Because dollar is getting stronger at this moment with all of this news for dollar. And basically the gold should have trade a bit lower, the price should be lower, but it's still not ready to drop just yet by the look of it. So that's we will see what. But this is the area once again to look at gold at this moment. So that's what I will be watching. But as you know, guys, again, as you noticed, still placing the orders both directions this week again. Half a week, still Monday, Tuesday, I will not be able to do my full trading. Possibly, well, Friday definitely news are going to be happening, so I will be watching the market closely and see if I will be able to do any scalpings. But my pending orders I will be still placing and sending to my Telegram channel, which is Janna FX. All the links you can find in the description under this video. And of course, don't forget about risks. All the profits and losses you make, it's all at your own responsibility. And I only share with you my personal experience and my trading. Well, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and happy trading. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye, everyone.